It's been a campaign pretty much full of highs. I think, like the gaffer said before, hopefully there's one more major high to come. But it's important, to let everyone else get excited and let the fans dream about what's coming. For us, our job is purely, to focus on the game. And if and when it happens, then I'm sure we'll get a little bit excited. But up until then, you can't let your mind wander. We've been together now for a good time, and generally over the last 12 to 18 months, the squad hasn't changed a great deal. We want to be, the players that do that, and from the beginning we spoke about that. And we've put ourselves in a great position, but certainly at the moment the job, isn't done. And we've got almost 2 chances to do that.
Every time I pull on a Wales jersey, it's an absolute massive honour to be representing my country, and especially the success we're having now and beginning to have. It's an absolute pleasure. It's a joy to be involved. You can really feel that buzz in the nation. I think in the city centres, the fans, it's a massive excitement and a real feel-good factor. We're looking to really kick-start what could be a special few decades maybe for Welsh football. Before, it was a sort of there wasn't really a desire to win, to be the best and to do as well as you can, but Speedo really implemented that, and unfortunately when he passed, the gaffer now, Chris Coleman, came in and he's taken that on and beyond, and he's really taken the squad and the team and the players forward and given us that belief and that desire to really achieve something, and that's what we're on the verge of now. The special moments we've had so far throughout the group, I think you still remember the impact he had when he came in, and that will never be forgotten.
To be on the verge of qualifying, it's not done yet. We've got 2 really important games, but to be within touching distance and for it to be in our own hands, it's amazing. We know it's going to be a tough game, as like it was in Cardiff, and obviously away from home as well, it will be even tougher. He's taken this football team onto a new level. I think he recognises the quality the players have got, and then he sees it's his role to bring the best out of them, to fill the lads with confidence, to make us resilient, to really put some pride and passion into wearing the Welsh shirt. And I can assure you, if he was in the dressing room before some of the games and after the games, it really is sort of goosebump stuff, the way he gets you going. So he's a credit to Wales as a nation to have him as a boss, and I really do think that him, alongside the coaching staff who put so much effort into the professionalism, and say playing Bosnia on Saturday, we're going to know absolutely everything about them, we're going to have a game plan, and we're going to have to go out there and execute it, and it's all their hard work, and they all deserve a huge amount of credit for where they've helped us as players get to.